Hi everyone, welcome to week 4, day 2 of your online learning for higher chemistry. If you're in 5B, this is for Thursday, and if you're in 5E, this will be on Friday. Okay, so we have 2 lessons to work through today, as always. Lesson 15 is going to be a recap of the periodicity topic from Unit 1, and Lesson 16 is a recap of the structure and bonding in elements topic from Unit 1. So as you will know from your lesson earlier this week, we are doing a little bit of revision in these next few lessons. So on Lesson 1 of this week, you were revising some of the calculations from Unit 3A, and today we're moving on to some of the topics from Unit 1. There is another topic in Unit 1 which is structure and bonding in compounds, and we will do some revision of that topic in your lessons next week. Okay, so both of your lessons today have the same kind of format. So starting with Lesson 15, we're going to focus on periodicity. So part A of your lesson will last you about 20 minutes or so. You've got a video to watch on the kind of key learning from the periodicity topic. It's up to you how familiar you are with this topic. You can skip through the video fairly quickly, just kind of reminding yourself of the key points. If you feel you need a bit more revision, then take your time with it. You might want to make some revision notes while you're watching the video, but there is no need to make any notes for the videos today. This is all learning that you have covered previously, so that's entirely up to you if you feel you need to make some revision notes, but it's not required. When you have finished working your way through the video, then part B of the lesson will take you about 30 minutes, and this is your own personal revision time to work on the periodicity topic. So you might find, having reviewed the content in the video, maybe there's a particular area within the topic that you want to go back and read up on a little bit more and look at your more detailed notes. Or you just might find that you want to do a bit of practice of your learning. So it's entirely up to you what you want to do with this time and how you revise the topic. There's some ideas here, but feel free to do any other form of revision that helps you. So you can do things like making summary notes, flashcards, try some questions from the booklet, try some past paper questions. So I will put the hyperlinked PDF file in the lesson resources for today, so that's the file where you can kind of quickly skip between questions on a particular topic and find the marking schemes as well. Or at the end of the slides and the video here, I've put some links to Kahoots or Quizlet flashcards that you can use to revise the topic. Okay, so then once you're finished your revision time, you have a final task to do, and this is a task that you need to submit today, so make sure you do leave yourself time to do it. Should take you around 20 minutes or so, and this is a mind map task. So we did a similar task for the skincare topic when we looked at that last week. It has some questions that you need to answer, so do make sure you use the template of the mind map. Don't make your own mind map. Use the mind map that is uploaded and answer those particular questions or complete the tasks that the mind map asks you to do. Okay, and when you're finished, upload your answers to Show My Homework. You should find, hopefully, the mind map task fairly straightforward if you've spent a good amount of time on your revision. If you do get stuck with some questions, make sure you go back to your notes on periodicity, go back to the video, or go back to your Unit 1 booklet to help you complete the mind map task. Okay, and lesson 16, it's exactly the same format, but just with the different topics. So this time we'll be focusing on the bonding and elements topic from Unit 1. So again, you've got a video to watch, recapping the main learning. You've got time for personal revision, again with some ideas suggested and links on the final slide. And the final part of lesson 16 is another mind map task, this time on the bonding and elements topic. Okay, so you will have, by the end of your lessons today, you'll have 2 mind maps to upload. You can either edit the PowerPoint version that's uploaded, or you can do it in your jotter, print it off, or just copy it into your jotter and send a photo. Okay, as always, I'll just show you the links. I'll leave these here. So there's a link to Quizlet. This covers both topics, periodicity and bonding and elements. And then there's a separate Kahoot link for the 2 different topics. So any of those you can try, or you can do other forms of revision. It's up to you. Okay, so hopefully you get on okay with your revision. Myself or Mr. Shepherd will be available on Teams during your lesson times. If you are getting stuck with anything, just post a comment on Teams or out with your lesson time. Remember, you can email your teacher or send them a message on Show My Homework. Okay, enjoy your lessons today. Bye.